Good morning all. I am Hiba PK from Department of Mathematics and Physics. Today we are going to discuss about an important topic from differential equation, that is exact differential equation. Before that, we want to know what is a differential equation. A differential equation which contains the derivative of one variable with respect to other variable. That means it is an equation containing derivative of one variable. That variable is called dependent variable with respect to another variable. That variable is called independent variable. Consider this example. Dy by dx equal to sin x. Here y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. Next example, dou y by dou x plus 2x equal to 3. Here y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. There are two types of differential equation. First one is ordinary differential equation and second one is partial differential equation. Ordinary differential equation involves function and its derivative. It contains only one independent variable and one or more its derivative with respect to the variable. Here, ordinary differential equation contains only one independent variable. Okay, but in partial differential equation, it contains unknown function of two or more variables and its partial derivative with respect to these variables. Okay, next we are going to discuss about exact differential equation. A differential equation of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is said to be exact differential equation if and only if it satisfies the condition dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. That is, first we want to convert a differential equation into m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Here m is the coefficient of dx and n is coefficient of dy. Then after that we find partial derivative of m with respect to y and partial derivative of n with respect to x. If they are equal, we can say the differential equation is exact. Okay. Otherwise, we can say that not exact. We can do some problems. First one, show that show that 25x square minus 5y dx plus 3y square minus 5x dy equal to 0 is an exact differential equation. That means we want to prove that the given differential equation is exact. To prove a differential equation is exact, we want to find dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x. If they are equal, we can say the differential equation is exact. Okay. Then first we consider what is m and what is n. M means coefficient of dx. Here then m equal to 25x square minus 5y. Okay. N means coefficient of dy. Then n equal to 3y square minus 5x. Okay. Then dou m by dou y equal to, that means partial derivative of m with respect to y. An important thing you must remember that when we consider partial derivative with respect to y, then x term consider as a constant. Okay, here 25x square. Here there are no y terms, then it becomes 0, partial derivative becomes 0. Here minus 5y. Minus 5y derivative with respect to y is minus 5. Okay, here dou n by dou x. Then partial derivative of n with respect to x. Then other variable y consider as a constant. Here 3y square consider as a constant. Its derivative with respect to x is 0. Here minus 5x, its partial derivative with respect to x is minus 5. Here dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. That means the differential equation is exact. Okay. Next question is check whether dy by dx equal to xy square minus cos x into sin x whole divided by y into 1 minus x square is exact or not. Okay. We know to check if differential equation is whether exact or not, it is form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Here the question is not in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So first we convert into m dx plus n dy equal to 0. For that, please consider cross multiply. Then we get first multiply this and this. Then xy square minus cos x sin x into dx equal to y into 1 minus x square dy. Okay, our basic formula is in the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. So we convert into that standard form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Okay, then x y square minus cos x sin x dx minus y into 1 minus x square dy equal to 0. Here, what is m? Coefficient of dx. Then this is m, and what is n? Coefficient of dy. Then consider minus y into 1 minus x square as n. Okay. Then dou m by dou y equal to dou m, what is m? Xy square minus cos x into sin x with respect to y. Okay, consider with respect to y. Then the variable x consider as a constant. Here cos x and sin x is a function with a variable x. There are not y variable. So this is that consider as a 0. Then its derivative with respect to y become 0. Okay. Then xy square, its partial derivative with respect to y equal to x into derivative of y square 2y. That's equal to 2xy. Okay, we get dou m by dou y equal to 2xy. Same way, consider dou n by dou x. That's equal to partial derivative of n. That means minus y into 1 minus x square. Okay, that's equal to here y is constant. Then we can write for understanding we can write dou by dou x of minus y minus into minus plus y x square. Here with respect to x, partial derivative with respect to x, then y consider as constant. Derivative of constant is 0. Then 0 plus y is constant. Derivative of x square is 2x. That's equal to 2xy. Okay, understand? That is dou m by dou y. We get dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x that's equal to 2xy. That means the given differential equation is exact. Okay. Now consider another example. Okay. Check whether x minus y dx plus x plus y dy is an exact differential equation. Okay. Here, the given differential equation is in the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. That is, m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Here, m equal to x minus y, that is coefficient of dx, and n equal to x plus y, coefficient of dy. To check the equation is exact or not, we can consider dou m by dou y and dou m dou n by dou x. If they are equal, we can say the given differential equation is exact, otherwise not exact. First, dou m by dou y equal to, what is x? X minus y, that is partial derivative of x minus y with respect to y. Here x, derivative of x with respect to y is 0 because x considered as a constant, and derivative of y with respect to y 1, that's equal to minus 1. Next, dou n by dou x, that's equal to x plus y, derivative of x plus y with respect to x. Here, a derivative of x with respect to x is 1, and here y has a considered as a 0, then constant, then its derivative is 0, 1. That is, dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. Am I correct? Because here we get minus 1 and here we get 1. They are not equal. Then dou m by dou y not equal to dou n by dou x. That means the given differential equation is not exact. Okay. Okay, today we discussed about an exact differential equation. An exact differential equation means a differential equation of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0 is said to be exact if dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Here m is coefficient of dx and n is coefficient of dy. Okay, thank you.